Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and one of the features that is requested quite a lot after 4 years of Windows 11 is the fact that if you use search, be it in the start menu or in the search in the taskbar, the only thing that you get is results from Bing. And that's always been the case, and it's Microsoft's operating system, so of course they want you to use their own search engine because they make money off of it. But in the European Economic Area, well, that is not the case. You can go and change the search engine. You prefer DuckDuckGo? You can go and say that when you search in Windows, it's DuckDuckGo. And so it's Google, it's whatever you want. So this is a feature that has actually been requested a long time by people all around the world. It's one of the Feedback Hub upvoted features for Windows 11. Now, of course, Microsoft does not want to listen to anyone. With this, the only reason the European Economic Area has that is because they've been forced to, by law, to do this. I wish we should have a law that could do this here too, because I'm pretty sure that everybody doing a search here would like to have other things than whatever crappy thing Bing brings you. I mean, some people might like it, and it's fine, but if you want something else, and look at all the crap that comes with it too here. Look at that. Games for you, and what is this? I didn't ask for anything with this, and I didn't ask for anything here. So I'm sorry. It's not just a distraction. It's useless. It's not what if I use search, these are not things I'm going to search for. I'm going to search for other stuff, either on my PC, either a file, and even if it would be on the web, I'm pretty sure it's not salad in a jar. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.